Hey y'all, today I have the Outre Perfect Hairline in the style Dannita, and I got her in the color DR6 Champagne Fizz. This unit does come with fake scalp. I don't like the fake scalp, it doesn't look that natural to me, so I like to cut that out. So as soon as I put the unit on, I loved the color. I love the brown root going into the 613, and I've been looking for a brown root going into 613 wig for a minute. So I was definitely excited to try this look. So first thing I like to do is cut that extra lace on the side, which is the ear tab area, so that the wig can properly lay down on my head. I like to cut the lace in 3 sections and work on each section separately. Going in with the Eben Firm Hold Adhesive Spray to lay down my lace. As I'm applying my elastic band to my hairline area, I'm going to go in with my blow dry on the warm setting to melt my lace down. I like to cut each section of my lace in a zigzag method. I do this because it just looks more natural to me. I'm going in with the Eben adhesive spray to just lay down all of the areas that did not fully lay down. with my cream contour foundation just to blend in my lace a little bit more with my skin tone. I'm going in and I'm plucking the hairline area a little bit just so the hairline doesn't look too full. I'm using the Luster's wax stick to mold and flatten the top of my hair and the hairline area. going over the wig with my flat iron on the lowest heat, and I'm just trying to flatten the wig down and make the ends more straight. Just be careful with the straightening process with this wig, because if the heat is too high, it will show, especially towards the end of the wig. So the front of the hair is longer than the back, and I didn't like that. I just wanted it to be all one length. So I'm just trimming the ends of the wig in the front area. And now we'll do the same process to the other side of the wig. Going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn to define my parting space. The parting space on this unit isn't as defined and noticeable as the other units, but it didn't bother me. I just used my LA Girl Pro Concealer to define the space. And if you wanted to make it look more natural, you can pluck the parting space as well. So this is style 1, the typical bob straight down on both sides, and I love the way this wig came out. The lace looks super natural to me. I love the length of the wig, and the color just tops it off. So for style number 2, the old reliable slick a piece of the hair in the back of the ear is always my go-to. also aware that there is a tiny hole in the lace area, but just disregard that. For style number 3, I love this look. I think that this is a fun look and it's just something different. I think it looks really cute. So here we have style number 4. Style number 4 to me is giving classy, going out on a date, going out to eat, to a nice restaurant. It's really giving a vibe. And last but not least, we have style number 5, which is the half up, half down. This style will never get old to me. I think I do this style on all of my units, but it's super cute and you can't really go wrong with this style.